Hello kids, welcome to my channel. In the previous class, we have already learned vowels and their short and long sounds. We normally use short vowel sound in 3-letter words. Now, in this video, we are going to learn the sound of vowel A words. So let's start. B A T bat. B A T bat. C A T cat. C A T cat. R A T rat. R A T rat. B A G bag. B A G bag. M A N man. M A N man. C A P cap. C A P cap. H A T hat. H A T hat. T A P tap. T A P tap. P A N pan. P A N pan. C L A P clap. C L A P clap. F L A G flag. F L A G flag. M A T mat. M A T mat. Let's repeat. Bat, cat, rat, bag, man, cap, hat, tap, pan, clap, flag, mat. I hope you have understood the topic. Keep practicing. We will meet in the next class. Bye kids.